everybody, so we received a package from GFOXX International. So I'm very excited to see how this works. It's a beauty product and we will be giving a review after using this one. So I like it how it is being packed. It's so secure and I'm so excited to see this one. So aside from the box, it is wrapped in a bubble wrap. So, oh my goodness, it looks elegant. So you can see my name, Jessa, there, and the set that they sent me, it's a rejuvenating set. So let's take a look. The logo, and of course the name of the company, GFOXX International. Let's take a look one by one at the products inside this explosion box. So we have the sunblock and the night cream. So it's so cute. And then we also have the mask with their logo, the collagen soap, and of course the toner. They even put a message on the box. Thank you so much, GFOXX International, and you know what, I'll be giving my review. Thank you. So this is my face before using the rejuvenating set. So as you can see, I have dark spots and pimples. So it's my day one in using this My Jeju Rejuvenating set, and as you can see, I have dark spots and pimples. So let's start by washing our face. To wash our face, we'll be using the My Jeju collagen soap. So this collagen soap smells like a coconut. So start by washing your face, massage it thoroughly, and then rinse. You can see it gives me brighter skin and firm one. And then we'll be using the toner. Soak the cotton pad with the toner and then swipe all over your face except your eyes. Now we'll be using the night cream. You can just put a little amount because it can cover your entire face, giving you that glowy look. So this is my day 2. So this is after 5 days of using the rejuvenating set, and I can see changes on my face. This is after 2 weeks.